You know when you said motocross bikes weren't allowed in this field because it echoes across the valley?
Yeah.
I think that's louder than my motocross bike.
No,
when
this
it goes
isn't-
over there, it's not that
can't
loud.
hear
Yeah, it's fair enough how quiet it goes.
So, is it work? Is it going on? I'm just watching the drone playing around. Hello, drone. Right, what we're doing now is we're up here testing with the vehicle. We've been off it for a while. We've put a few bits and pieces up showing you what we've been doing. But we had a problem just before Ultra 4 where we just didn't have enough time to finish it because we run into problems with the fuel system. We had a wiring loom breaking down and all sorts of things going wrong. So we worked up to about 12:30, 1 o'clock at night. And we worked it out, the 4-hour drive and everything else. We wouldn't have even got it for the start of the race, so we called it a day. We've had a rest from the car, we've come back to it, and it's up here now for its first drive and we'll see what it goes like. I've not driven for a while. I think it's ready to go to dirt.
This is the first time I've seen the 110 out, the first time I've heard it, seen it, and I imagine it's ridiculous and loud, but that's something small and pathetic. I can already hear it and it's enough. Jesus Christ. Fucking hell. I'm gonna die.
Goes all right. All we got to do is get grips with it. We've done a bit of, I don't know what you call it, chasing each other, like cops and robbers.
It was very one-sided. I'd have said that I'll struggle to keep up with you and you were in my boot.
I just wanted to come close to you so you can hear what other cars are like.
It was good. It was a good experience to have before vinegar.
You need that, yeah, because if other cars come by you, you can sort of work out where they are and what they're doing.
Oh, definitely.
Because they won't ram you.
No.
I might.
And I don't think any of them are bigger than this in our class, so I think we'll be good.
And then we went off adventuring. Now, when he first come here, he'd never driven in a field. And we took him out in this Suzuki when it was blue, and we sent him off. I don't know whether you've got any footage of it.
Along.
Left. You going left?
Oh.
No, 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 no.
Tree. Yeah. What did he do?
What did he do? There might have been a tree. I'd like to point out at this point the JIMNY was completely stock and on completely bald tyres. Beyond road legal tyres.
And we spent most of the day going once around the bottom of this field, which has got...
That must have taken us 2 hours easily, and the rest.
Yeah, easily. Which has got bommels in it, it's got climbs in it, it's got side angles on it, and it's got some 80-degree drops off the side that he went along the edge of that he didn't know about this time, but last time, but he knows about this time, so he was a bit more wise of them. Over some boulders, we got a bit of a boulder climb there, and he went over that.
It walked through it,
Drove-
really, didn't
yeah.
it? It wasn't phased at all. Places last time where we were redlining trying to get it up a hill, it just sort of walked up in first gear, no problems.
Yeah. So,
So it's good to see where it's come.
it's like, has he learnt anything?
Yes, a lot.
He's learnt he don't get shouted at. If he...
You don't get shouted at if you listen. And that this much work does make a difference.
Yeah.